A little update. Since last time, we have almost 1,600 acres of wheat in the ground. It's still warm out, it's still windy. I'm lucky to get a tank out in the morning and a tank out in the evening. 200 acres per tank, so if I get 2 tanks out in the day, I'm just barely getting ahead of the drill. Seeding wheat, we're doing about almost 350 acres per day. So I gotta keep that sprayer rolling so I keep ahead of the drill. I'm in a nice open field here this afternoon, not much to go around. Seeding a little bit deeper than usual, or all of an inch with this wheat. It's not treated anymore. It's really warm, the soil is really warm. The early wheat was treated. I was thinking it was gonna be a little bit cooler and damp. That's not the case. She's dry out there already, so this wheat is not treated. Put her in at about an inch and hope for rain. But then we're gonna go check depth, stretch the legs. Just gotta make sure something's coming out. See how we're looking. Every day it's just windy. I'm trying to block the wind for you guys. This looks like a good spot. Those guys are deep. That guy's probably 1.25 inches. Trench is quite deep. Let's see where the fertilizer's sitting. Right there. Where was it? I did see him. Yeah. So I think that's good too. So windy every day, gusting to like 50 kilometers. The long-term forecast is getting hotter. A couple plus 30 days next week, 10 days out. So that's why we're seeding fairly deep. Wind shifted. It's not good driving in the dust all day. It's like the Sahara Desert out here. Another one down. Some people say you're supposed to close these valves on the hitch for transport. Locks out the hydraulics. I haven't touched them. Just fold up and go. There's a wing down pressure gauge that you gotta check when you're unfolding. It's supposed to run in the green. Oh, that's pretty good. To make the wings level. Look at all the canola coming. Woo! Sprayed most of this last night, finished this morning. Should be good. See, the wheat's getting low, fertilizer's going down, Foss is getting low. Gotta get this other camera working. I think it's just a connection issue. I gotta crawl in the tank and take a look here. just a connection for that camera. I'm not sure. Unless it's in the display, but I think it is enabled. So it would be nice to see that urea tank. No to phosphate. Gotta fill that guy too. Big cloud coming. Don't worry, it'll miss us. The drill will be empty in about an hour and a half, so I gotta get this tank out, come back for the semi, and then take it to the drill. There's the drill. Got some stuff for kochia loaded. Hopefully it works, trying to manage this stuff. I can see it growing already from the cab. This stuff is rank. Holy smokes. I thought this was a snake. It scared the crap out of me. I think it's a piece of belting. It's not moving. Woo! I hate those things. I think we blew a belt last year. No snake this time. Just a tree that has fallen into the field. Don't want to snag this with the drill. That's better.